So let's go ahead now and set the last of our passwords, which is for our virtual terminal or for Telnet. Now I'm going to go ahead and go back into my global configuration mode. I want to change to line VTY, and I'm going to use all of my lines 0 through 4 for my first example. You can see here I'm now in the line what would actually display to my screen when I use the word login. Notice it actually shows me all 5 of those lines as separate lines to get into the router. Actually, I have a special number sign too, so I have to set a password for all 5 of these lines now. What I'm going to do, I'll go and set the password here of Telnet. Hit enter, Control Z to go back to the root, very much like what we've been doing. I'm going to do a show run again. Let's go ahead and take a look at this Telnet password by scrolling all the way down. You notice that line VTY 0 through 4 has been assigned the password of Telnet with login processing enabled. So effectively, I have now secured the Telnet protocol, and I've turned the Telnet protocol on appropriately so that we're able to use Telnet to gain access to this router. Well, I'm going to go ahead and do my little trick here. I want to keep Telnet on lines 1 through 4, but I'm going to assign a different password to line 0. That way I have a back door, a way in an emergency. So let me go in here and configure terminal again. This time I'm going to do a line VTY 0, not going to continue with the rest of it. Use the word login, and this time we're going to make the password storm and go back to the root here. Let's take a look by using a show run. Watch what's happened to our configuration when I slow down. Notice that line VTY 0, the first line, has a password of storm, whereas lines VTY 1 through 4 still have the password of Telnet.